long story short, I have a removal order. It's like 6-7 years old. So my wife, like recently, 4 or 5 months ago, she got her asylum approved.
Mm-hmm.
So we got married like 6-7 years ago. We got kids. So is there any way I can get asylum status as a derivative?
You would have to reopen your removal case. We would have to review your removal case and figure out a way to reopen it.
I gotta first open the case, then file I-730, or I can file right now.
File both at the same time. You have to make a motion to reopen and the I-730 simultaneously.
What about if can I file I-212 in U.S.?
No, because you would have to go. The I-212 is to go home and then re-enter after a prior order of deportation, and then you have a problem because your wife applied for asylum. Why you all of a sudden you're okay to go and she's not?
No, we live in we are from 2 different countries.
Okay. The answer is yes. You can do a 212, leave the United States. You may also need an I-601A because you've been out of status here for more than a year. So you may need 2 waivers, and you can leave and come back. But I think the better route would be to try to make a motion to reopen.
In the U.S.?
Yes. Hold on. We can help.
Sure.
Wissam in San Diego, California. Wissam.
Hi, Brad. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. Actually, I have a story I want to tell you, and just shortcut, okay? So I've been here undocumented for 10 years under asylum.
Mm-hmm.
But in 2017, I closed my case because my mom, she filed for me a petition under category F2B. And it's going to come current soon, which is like for the filing date. I want to make sure if I can go back to my country and do it in my country, or I could adjust status here.
Well, I don't know if you can adjust your status here. I'd have to ask you a few questions. But if you go back to your home country, you're looking at a misrepresentation problem based on an asylum case that you said, I'm terrified to go back, and now you're going back. So you would most likely have to ask a third country, whether Mexico, Canada, or a third country, to accept you and process you there. That's number one. I don't know that they're going to do that now because of COVID. Whether you're eligible to adjust your status or not depends on whether you're 245I or how you entered America. So if you're considered still an arriving alien, you got stopped at the border, or you came here on a visa, there's all sorts of different ways that you may or may not be eligible to adjust. So hold on one second. I think you would probably need a consultation. We'll figure it out. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.